So a lot of y'all saw my prepping to go camping Walmart haul. And when I got a coffee machine, there was a lot of comments like, are you actually going camping? And yes, we are. Some of y'all might have seen this too in the background of some of my videos. So let's address the elephant in the room. Did we buy this gorgeous RV? No, we didn't. Let's sit down and chat about it for a hot second. Okay, so this RV was Carl's parents' RV, and they were super sweet, and we are so grateful that they gave it to us. And we're so excited for making memories with our family. Carl and I were fortunate enough to go camping with Carl's parents. Quite a few places, actually. We went to the Outer Banks, North Carolina. We went to the Catskills in upstate New York. We went to Cape Cod. I mean, we had a lot of good times in this with Carl's parents. And we are so lucky that they gave this to us. It was really his mom who gave it to us. I did mention previously that Carl's dad did pass away. And yeah, so we are super excited to be able to go and make memories, but we're also excited to sort of keep Carl's dad's memory alive by doing that. And yeah, so we're going on our first trip this weekend, and it's going to be really fun. It's going to be really great. So I've got a bunch of stuff here, and we're going to put it away and get ready. This place is honestly incredible, and this is going to be so great for traveling with kids. And I posted how we were going camping and what advice you guys had, and a lot of people were like, don't go camping with young kids. But I mean, I think it's gonna be great. Maybe I'm a little bit too optimistic, but I think it's gonna be awesome. We have a trip planned this weekend that we did last minute, but we also have 2 bigger trips planned for September. And yes, Dexter is coming. So I didn't want to go crazy with like seasoning, plus my mother-in-law did leave some stuff behind, so I just got a salt and pepper, keeping it simple, and then I also got some chili seasoning just because I'm going to be making chili tonight, which is going to be great. I guess let me show you guys. This is where Carl and I will stay. I ordered this bedspread online because Carl said that he wanted to have like a California bear forest theme in here, so I think I delivered pretty well on this. And also I got these are like Eddie Bauer flannel sheets. We love these. I purposely got the print with these foxes on them because it just looks like we have Dexter on our sheets. All right, we got to organize this. I think I'm going to start with the bathroom because there is a little cabinet in there. So I've got some Band-Aids, I've got a thermometer. This place is incredible. It's got a full bathroom. My mother-in-law is so sweet. She gave us all the towels and everything that were in here. So we already have bath towels, hand towels, so that was great. I got Kennedy a new toothbrush to keep things exciting because we haven't wanted to brush our teeth recently. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say about that. I think we're in pretty good shape. Hi. You guys are gonna laugh when you find out where we're actually going. This is really just a tester trip. Again, because we have some bigger ones planned for next month. So obviously I'll let you guys know where we are after we leave, obviously, but anyway. For Kennedy, I got these disposable little trays just so, because we're doing paper plates, so I got these for her. Because she likes the little compartments. Now we have that stuff. Blah, blah, blah. Now that we have all of that stuff, last thing is I need to pack up clothes for the kiddos and myself, and then I think we're in good shape. I think I'm going to put their clothes up there, and then there's a couple little spaces back here for Carl and I to put some clothes. There's storage literally everywhere in here. It's iconic. All right, I gotta go eat some lunch and then pack everything up because I think we're leaving in like 2 hours when Kennedy wakes up from nap. I think we're going. I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Also, I didn't put a top on my iced coffee earlier, and I was holding it and I bent over to go into the garage fridge and it just all came out everywhere. So now my entire garage fridge is flooded with iced coffee. I might go make another one. Okay, bye.